back there now. One went back here. The other one didn't go in. Now, I don't want to get too closer to it. I just want to leave them be. I think those are female red cardinals, or maybe it's a Carolina wren. It's really hard to tell, but I really don't want to get closer to that. So. Look what you do. You made it go hide. You're a good boy? Are you? Well, that's good. There's a red cardinal making a call somewhere. Sheesh. Yeah, I'm not too sure what kind of bird this is. It's not even... It looked like a Carolina wren or a female red cardinal, but I don't think it is. Went into that tree. Make this different type of whistle sound. Now this one made an interesting call, and I'm not too sure what could it make that call. I cannot even memorize it correctly. There's that bird. Yeah, they're still fighting each other, I think. Well, I guess they're gone. And Peter Rabbit's having a good time. So therefore, guys, that's going to be it for the video. I know it's short. Like and subscribe. And see you guys in the next one. And I wish I could get the birds on camera flying away, but it's getting too chilly. So therefore, like and subscribe.